Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today I have my November Bella Skin Box. This ships near the end of the month, but in all fairness, I've had it for too long. So let's get in here and see what I've got. The Bella Skin Box is a monthly beauty box. It is $35 and you are going to get cruelty-free, usually skincare. There's usually a tool inside, and I always love the products, and I have the most lame excuse for why I haven't posted this sooner. I came up one day to tape videos, and I taped a lot of videos, and I had brought several of them and over here and set them by my desk. And I got to the point where I was like, okay, I don't know that I'm doing this with a happy heart anymore, so I'm gonna quit for a little bit. And I came up and made more videos, but I kept taking them from I have a table back there that I have my boxes sitting on, and I had forgotten that I had set this one down beside my desk, so she just got forgotten, and I feel so bad. So when we open her up, her paperwork came out, as did a couple of the masks. I'm gonna take them out. That's what the inside looks like. So let's just dig in and see what we had in our November Bella box. All right, let's check the card out. The card says, Bella Skin Box, less stress, more self-care. And that's the focus of this box mostly, is self-care. And it says that this box has a $120 value. And again, it is a $35 subscription box. I will put a link and code below, which will get you $5 off your first box. Let's dig in to these soon because we saw them right on top. And it is the Strawberry Lip Mask. And you guys have probably heard me say this. I love targeted masks. I like an all over face mask. I do them, they're fine. I love an eye mask, a lip mask. I just love a targeted mask. And that's what this looks like. And we have 5 of them. And the paperwork says 5-pack lip masks, $16. Kiss lackluster lips goodbye. Plump, hydrate, and lighten dark spots with the daily lip mask packed with high-impact ingredients that deliver a healthier looking pout. The ideal pre-treatment for lip liner, lipstick, and lip gloss to prevent flaking and color bleeding. And I don't know about you guys, but in the winter, it doesn't. You guys know I have a balm addiction, and I keep my lips, and yet they still want to get dry. So I think winter is the perfect time to be getting lip masks. And like I said, this is a strawberry lip mask. So, okay, next. And you guys know how happy I am to show you this. It is the After Spa Back Scrubber with Handles. This is Daily Concepts. Daily Concepts and After Spa are, I say this like it's true, I believe it to be true, are the same people. So, and you guys know, I order them from sales constantly. I've opened it up and let me show you that it has a, so you can write onto, what would you call that? Not a holder? Oh my goodness, it's not coming to me. I'm up here using all of my words today. A holder that you can hang this from in your shower. And I like this because I've had some like this before. This one is fluffy. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's thick. It's like there's foam in there. It feels nice and fluffy, and it's got the handle so you can watcha your back. I love the Daily Concepts products. This says After Spa Back Scrubber with Handles, $9. Exfoliate full body, including hard to reach areas with this cloth covered sponge made from exfoliating cotton. Deep cleanses your skin and stimulates circulation, accompanied by a great massage. Right, next we have a Delia Skincare Rejuvenating Serum, natural, cruelty-free, and vegan. That is what that looks like. Let's get in here. Oh, it's very orange. I like that. It's very pretty. Let's read about this and see what's in it. Orange usually makes me nervous because I worry so much about vitamin C with my super sensitive skin, but let's not jump to any conclusions. Let's see what it says. This soothing blend of natural oils is great for all skin types. Its formula is lightweight and helps soften skin, leaving it silky with a natural glow from within. Rub gently on face and neck after moisturizer daily, or as often as desired. $30 value. I can never decide whether to use oil and then moisturizer or moisturizer and then oil. Sometimes it depends on what it's made of, but every day I feel like I struggle with that decision. Yeah, there's nothing in here I don't think I can use, so let's give it a try. It's marked like 1 ml, that kind, so if you knew exactly how much you liked, when you put it on your hand, it is very orange. Oh, it smells really, what does that smell? I just said all of the words of what were in it. You would think I would know right away. Oh, did it? I'm not sure if I can use this on my face or not. I don't know if it's showing in the camera, but I feel like it might have made my hand a little orange. Although with it could be self-tanning, but let's spread it out. I can't decide. Okay, I'm gonna put it, okay. This is my other hand. We're gonna put a drop on here. Well, actually I'll do two because that's what I did on the other hand. Is that making my hand orange? It is, right? I guess they just didn't anticipate people as truly writing paper white as I am. Let's see. Well, we'll see. I should have left one undone, but we'll see. No, that definitely made my hand orange. Definitely. No, that definitely made my hand orange. Well, I could probably still use it at night, but I wonder if it would build up. That might not be perfect for me, but we will see. I have rubbed it in. We will see if we can tell what happens. Okay, next I have Clean Slate 3-in-1 Makeup Remover, Cleansing Balm, and Radiant Sleeping Mask. And that is what that looks like. And oh, it's from Me Time Botanicals. I have started using so many of the Me Time Botanicals. I learned about them through this box, and I really enjoy. Finish the thought. I really enjoy their products. They have a lip oil that I use that's just like a roller. Almost every day that I don't put makeup on, I start with that in the morning. Now, I reapply to my lips so many times during the day, but that's what's sitting right next to where I do my moisturizers and oils and everything, and I use it almost every day. Okay, whipped. It had a safety seal on it. That's what the inside looks like. It has almost no scent. Let's read about it and then I'll get in here. Multifunctioning formula that lifts away dirt, melts makeup, and draws out pollutants while plumping, moisturizing, and softening skin. Removes all makeup, even mascara, and long-wear formulas. Doubles as a sleeping mask or nightly moisturizer to promote glowy, moisturized complexions. Softens fine lines and wrinkles, and promotes a healthier skin barrier, plus encourages cellular rejuvenation. Plumps skin by locking in moisture and preventing TEWL. Oh, and then they tell me, trans-epidermal water loss. Formulated for all skin types, perfect for sensitive skin. Ingredients: mango butter, grapeseed oil, rosehip seed oil, pomegranate seed oil, watermelon seed oil, blueberry seed oil, elderberry extract, beeswax, pineapple fruit extract, rose clay, and vitamin E. I mean, what's not to love, right? It's so natural and good for you. Oh my goodness. Now, it is very warm here, but I hope you guys can see. It is so, I mean, I had to, okay, so I'm going to put it on this hand. So in theory, we might do away with some of the orange. And it rubs in just like if you had some really hard coconut butter, that's exactly what this rubs in like. It just instantly becomes an oil. Can you guys see how shiny that is? It just becomes an oil. It has no color to it. It smells very light, just very light of kind of oils. There's nothing floral or fruity. It's just a really light scent. Okay, that feels good. Now I'm gonna wipe it off with my cleansing wipe that I have here for my swatching. I'm gonna show you guys something. So I just wiped it off and my hand feels fantastic actually. I will absolutely be trying this. But this had virtually no color, but I just wiped it across the back of my hand and I'm going to show this and hope that it shows. Can you guys see? There we go. The orange in that. That orange. I don't think I can wear that. Let me try. I'm going to wipe this hand off too and we'll see if it doubles down on orangeness. Oh yeah. That is interesting. Let me show you guys. That, here, can you, I'm going to keep, so I can fix this in editing. That is the orange of it though. I really hope that's coming across. Yeah, so that oil isn't going to be perfect for me. That said, my hand feels fantastic. I might try and get away with it at night and hope that it doesn't build up. This, from where I use this cleanser, feels, I am not throwing this word around lightly, amazing. That feels so, it's the best my hand has felt, and it's a cleanser. Well, but they say you can use it as a nightly moisturizer. Wow, that makes me want to just use it on my hands. That is amazing. I like that a lot. Clean Slate 3-in-1 Makeup Remover, Cleansing Balm, and Radiant Sleeping Mask. And if I didn't tell you, which I may not have, this has a $35 value. Okay, last but not least, we have from Skin & Co. the Eye Concentrate. And it is the Restructurizing Truffle Eye Contour Concentrate. I do love a new eye cream. That is what that looks like. Skin & Co. Roma Eye Concentrated Travel Size, $30. Created to target the appearance of tired eyes, puffiness, bags, dark circles, and signs of aging, Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate has been perfected through decades of research to hydrate, nourish, and rejuvenate the delicate eye contour. Formulated with antioxidants, essential fatty acids, vitamins to protect against free radicals and environmental damage, and hydrolyzed fruit extracts to energize and reveal brighter eyes, Truffle Therapy Concentrate works best as part of the Truffle Therapy regimen to achieve glowing results. And again, $30 value. I have several of the Truffle Therapy. I could probably do, if I took out all of my stuff, I could probably do a full Truffle Therapy regimen. This is 7 ml, 0.23 fluid ounces. So, ooh, when you take it off, it is just a nice little pot. I have some on the lid here, so it's just a nice light lotion. Oh, it's very nice. What is that scent? It's a very nice scent. Very fresh, almost powdery. I like that. I do try and be very aware of fragrances, especially in eye creams, but this feels really, or smells really light. It smells really good though, the lightness of it, and it absorbed, I'm telling you, it absorbed like that into my hand. I am telling you, my hands are walking away from this day of unboxing very happy. All right, so that is the Bella Skin Box from November. This would make a really nice face of skincare because we got the Skin & Co. Roma for our under eyes. We got the Delia All Over Moisturizing Oil, which if you are not, well, I mean, you guys can tell. I mean, I am the color of paper. You're probably fine. It did leave me a little orange, but I will probably still try it at night because it felt really nice. We have the Me Time Botanicals Cleanser, which I will be trying in the next day or two. So I will let you know how this goes because this feels amazing. We have the Soon Strawberry Lip Masks. How fun does that sound? And the After Spa Back Scrubber with handles. So that is the box. It is a $120 value. It is a $35 box. I will put my link and my code below that will get you $5 off your first box. Just so you know, I do spend money on this box. I always like to be upfront with you guys about what I get for free. If you have any questions, just let me know below. If I can answer them for you, I am happy to do it. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful day and a great holiday season. I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And take care, guys.